Have you ever squeezed that minty fresh gel onto your brush and wondered, where did this stuff actually come from? We take toothpaste for granted, but its history is a wild ride, full of bizarre ingredients that would make your dentist's hair stand on end. So, let's travel back in time and uncover the strange and sometimes shocking origins of toothpaste. Our story begins in ancient Egypt, around 5000 BC, long before Colgate and Crest. The Egyptians were already serious about oral hygiene. They created a cleaning powder, what's considered the world's first toothpaste. But forget about that fresh mint flavor. The recipe included crushed rock salt, mint, dried iris flowers, and pepper. Yes, pepper. Can you imagine brushing your teeth with that fiery mix? It sounds painful, but they were pioneers in the fight against plaque. Then we have the ancient Greeks and Romans, who took things to another level of weird. They weren't afraid to get their hands dirty, or rather, their mouths. Their toothpastes often contained crushed bones and oyster shells as abrasives. Think of it as a heavy-duty scrub for your teeth, for a whitening agent. Some Roman recipes called for urine. Yep, you heard that right. The ammonia in urine was known for its cleaning properties. Think I'll stick to my modern whitening strips, thank you very much. It's crazy to think what people considered normal back then. As we move into the Middle Ages, the obsession with oral health seemed to wane a bit in Europe. But over in ancient China and India, they were still innovating. They used ingredients like ginseng, herbal mints, and salt. A bit more palatable, right? Some Chinese formulas even included crushed porcelain or sea salt to scrub away stains. They were definitely on the right track, focusing on both abrasion and freshening the breath. Fast forward to the 18th century in Britain. Tooth powders were all the rage among the wealthy, but these weren't your friendly pharmacy-bought powders. They were often concocted by chemists and barbers, and the ingredients could be downright dangerous. Many contain brick dust, crushed china, or earthenware. These are incredibly abrasive materials that would have worn away tooth enamel at an alarming rate. Some even included boric acid for a fresh feeling, which we now know is not something you want to be putting in your mouth regularly. It was a time of experimentation, but a lot of it was harmful. It wasn't until the 1800s that things started to look a little more familiar. In 1824, a dentist named Dr. Peabody added soap to his tooth powder for extra cleaning power. Imagine the taste of a mouthful of soap. Later, chalk was added to the mix. Then, in the 1850s, the first toothpaste in a jar was created by an American company called Crème Dentifrice. This was a huge step forward, making it much more convenient than messy powders. The real revolution came in 1892, thanks to Dr. Washington Sheffield of Connecticut. He was the brilliant mind who thought to put toothpaste into a collapsible tube. The idea supposedly came to him after seeing Parisian artists using paint from tubes. This simple invention changed everything. It was more hygienic, easier to use, and prevented the product from drying out. Sheffield's company, which would later become part of Colgate, started mass-producing these tubes, and modern toothpaste was born. But the innovation didn't stop there. In the early 20th century, toothpaste was still mostly about cleaning and freshening. The big game changer was the addition of fluoride. After World War II, researchers discovered that fluoride could significantly prevent tooth decay. Procter & Gamble was the first to launch a clinically proven fluoride toothpaste in 1955, Crest with Fluoristan. This shifted the focus of toothpaste from just a cosmetic product to a therapeutic one, a key tool in public health. And that brings us to today. Walk down any toothpaste aisle, and you're bombarded with choices. Whitening, anti-sensitivity, tartar control, all natural, charcoal infused, and flavors from cinnamon to bacon. Yes, bacon toothpaste is a real thing. From urine and crushed bones to nano-hydroxyapatite and complex chemical formulas, the journey of toothpaste is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless quest for a perfect smile. So the next time you're brushing your teeth, take a moment to appreciate that smooth, minty paste. It's the result of thousands of years of trial and error. Be thankful you're not scrubbing your gums with brick dust or rinsing with something you'd rather not think about. The history of toothpaste is a fascinating and sometimes gross reminder of how far we've come. What's the weirdest toothpaste flavor you've ever heard of? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this trip through history, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the surprising stories behind everyday things. See you in the next one.